Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you an Excel automation that extracts data from the IES and HAP cooling load summary report, and it does the following: the FCU equipment selection, the DM summary sheet, and also the FCU schedule generation. All of these are done simultaneously together by the automation. Now moving on, let's see a step-by-step demo of how this is done. So first, open the template Excel file. Over here, we named it as FCU selection and DM summary.xlsm. Now, once the file is open, go to the first tab, which is the equipment load, and fill in the details according to the header based on your manufacturer data. Now, you can see that we have up to 4 selections here, so you can fill it with different make and equipment type. And each of the selections can support up to 15 units of data. The one with red columns are mandatory. This is the unit reference, type of equipment, supply air, sensible load, and total load. So once you've finished filling in all these details, go to the next tab, which is the load data tab. And this is where you're going to be pasting your IES PDF report. So open up your IES report, which is in PDF format, and you're going to select the whole text over here. So the best way to do it is just select a few text in the beginning, go all the way to the end, press shift and select the end of the text. So what happens with this is all your text is selected. Now just copy this and paste it over onto the load data sheet. Make sure that you fill it in the A1, which is the first cell. All right. Once you paste it over here, you've got all your data in text format. Now the next thing that you're going to do is go to the load summary tab, and there's a button that says generate summary from IES report. So click on that, and what it's going to do is it's going to extract the data from the IES that we pasted and put it over here in the summary format according to the header. Now the fourth thing that we will do is go to the zone input tab and click on select unit. Now you can either do one selection at a time or 2 selections at a time, up to you. So select the one that you want and click OK. You need to specify the start row, where you want it to start from, and also the end row, where you want it to finish. Now you'll find this feature particularly helpful when you have to redo this again and again. Now what's happening here is it's selecting the equipment based on the calculation. We have different colors over here, blue and white. What's going on? So if the selected sensible load is within 105% of the calculated load, the color would be white. If it is more than 105% of the calculated load, then it will be blue. Likewise, less than the calculated load means it's going to be red, although we're not going to find anything red over here. Now, one more thing to note over here is that if one equipment is not adequate to cover the load, it will go for next run with 2 equipment and so on till it finds a suitable match. Once the FCU selection is complete, the DM summary sheet will be filled simultaneously with all the calculations and the equipment selections. Likewise, even the FCU schedule is filled over here and is ready for project submission. This new automation process is highly time efficient and requires very minimal input. It is estimated to save up to 90% of the usual time.